Hi, this is Smart Academy. We are doing physics problems and physics concepts. So today I am discussing about one problem on Coulomb's law. So up to now, some more videos I discussed some problems, some different type of problems on Coulomb's law. This is one more type of problem. So we look at this problem now. So here three charges, one is 2q, one q small q, are placed in a straight line at points O, x and Qx respectively. The net force on Q is 0, then Q should be. See here, this is a straight line. See, one charge is 2q, one more is q, one more is small q. Three charges are placed in a straight line at points O. So this is the point O origin, this is the distance x, this is 2x. So keep here, so this is the situation here. The point 2q, the charge 2q is at point O, the charge is capital Q is at x, the charge is small q at 2x. So these three charges are in a straight line. So we have to find the net force on small q. Here 2q charge is here, capital Q is here. So the net force on charge q is 0, is 0. Then q will be, what is the q? So for this one, so the net force on charge q, that means here this direction one force, then left side also one force. If these two forces are equal and opposite, then the net force also, the net force on charge q is 0. This is the situation here. That means F1 force due to 2q on small q. The F2 force due to capital Q on Q. If these two forces, one is acting towards right side, one is acting towards left side, then net force on small q will be 0. So we have to find Q. See here the situation here is, this is positive. So this positive, this charge also positive, then positive, positive, repulsive force. So F1 force will be repulsive force. So if it is repulsive, then one more force should be attractive. One more force should be attractive. That's why this is a positive charge. So this charge should be negative. Should be negative. So Q should be negative first. Negative charge. So the force on Q due to 2Q due to minus Q should be equal. So just F1 equal to F2. Then only the net force on Q due to these two charges will be 0. So now K into 2Q into Q by 2x whole square equal to K into Q minus Q into Q by x square. This is the distance between these two charges x. So from origin this is 2x. So here k cancel, small k cancel. So here 2q by 4x square equal to minus q by x square. X square will be cancelled, then 2 by 2. So q equal to minus q by 2. So q should be, that is negative, and it is q by 2. It is half of the q. So in this problem, three charges are there. One is 2q, one more is capital Q and small q. They are in straight line. So the net force on small q will be 0. then what should be, if it is the force on small q will be 0, what it should be the q charge, that we have to find here. The q will be, first it is negative, that is equal to then minus q by 2. This is the solution for this one. Thank you. Before for more videos, please subscribe my channel.